Rashika.
Camps Bay Beach.
Okay, Camps Bay Beach. Let's go.
We are in Seaboard. Of course, we're going to Camps Bay. We found ourselves here. Okay, don't ask us how we got here. We just found ourselves here. Eh, re sepela ka kudu. Ria bariking. Ria tata. Riko chimbira ngamanda. Hi, Riko chimbira ngamanda. Don't ask us how we got here. We just got here. How my sunglasses sitting? Yeah, we are going to Camps Bay. Hi, loved one, please subscribe. You're gonna get awesome content here. Subscribe, and like my videos, please. Thank you. Okay, I'll see you in a moment. Looks like we'll be driving like this until Camps Bay. The traffic is trafficking. Is there such a thing? Yeah, there's so much traffic. Look at this. Look at this. Traffic everywhere. But anyway, the more the merrier, right? We're gonna enjoy our day. Anyway, the glass is dirty. It's dirty. But this is gonna make it better. It's just that here it's gonna remain like that. Don't mind it, okay? Just look at the important part of this. Look at the sun. Oh, it's gorgeous. The sun is gorgeous. But I think we're gonna see a more gorgeous sun towards sunset. Hopefully by then we'll be at Sea Point. No, not Sea Point, Signal Hill. By then we'll be at Signal Hill. We're gonna see a gorgeous sun. If you wanna see how gorgeous the sun is in Cape Town, what do we say? Stick along, hang along, stay along. What?
Stay with us.
Stay with us. Stay with us. Stay with us. So stick with us. Okay. My grandmother used to like saying when she went to sing, or don't listen to the voice, listen to the message. That's what I was saying to you. Don't look at the windscreen here. Look at the message. Look at the message. Where is Clarence Beach? So this is Lion's Head. Toya Ndau. Toya Ndau. Look at that. The beauty. literally chasing the sunset. It's like 10 to 8 and the sunset is at 8 o'clock. So we're almost late. We didn't even get out there by Camps Bay. We just passed by because we knew we were not gonna make it for the sunset. So we're chasing sunset. But we're almost there. See you later. We are walking to see if we can catch the sunset.
And we will.
We will! Oh my goodness! It's already 8 o'clock. Almost made it, but we didn't. Either way, it's beautiful. Look at Robben Island right there. Let's see how far we can see this. Ah. We almost made it, but we didn't. Still cool, still beautiful out here. Looks good. The views are amazing. We are on our way home. Yeah, so we had an awesome day. I hope you enjoyed watching the vlog, and please like, share, comment, whatever that you can do to support. I'll appreciate it. I will see you in another one, but this is how it looks like this is how it looks like. Yeah, but now it's moving. Yeah, there's a lot of cars. There's still a lot of cars on the road. I think people have not yet gone back from their holiday here. So yeah, we are still having a lot of people. And it was a beautiful day. I will see you in another one. Thank you, loved one. God bless you.